Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. So part 2 with the FMS Extra 330. A reminder that this comes so complete. There's very little assembly to do, not a lot at all. And it runs on 12S. I've got two 6S 6000 packs in this. So a little heavier than recommended, but I get maximum flight time. I'm getting 8 or 9 minutes if I wanted that, but I tend to lose concentration at about 5. So I'm going to try some more 3D and aerobatics, gain a little bit more confidence with it, I hope. I'm not an out-and-out 3D pilot really, haven't done it in a long time, that's my excuse. But it's all about trying, isn't it, and learning. there you go, that's the FMS Extra 330. Even in the hands of a complete novice at 3D flying, it does teach you a lot, this, and it's so quick to put together. If you're not into finding the right motor ESC prop combination, then FMS have done it for you, and it's already bolted on, so you've got nothing to do. You've just got to plug in your receiver and your 6L packs and you're ready to go. So thanks very much for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Carl on camera, and we'll see you again for another Essential RC flight test very soon. Thanks for watching.